When you open Microsoft Word, it always starts with the same font. If you prefer a different style, you can change it once and keep it that way. Any document will work. At the top, make sure you are on the Home tab. Here you will see the font section. Click that small arrow. A new window will open. This is where you can change the font style. Now select the font you like. If you want, adjust the style to bold or italic. You can also choose the size. You may also change the font color if needed. Take a moment to select what feels right for you. After that, look at the bottom of the window. Click the button that says Set as Default. A message will appear. Choose All Documents based on the normal template. Then click OK. That's it. From now on, every new Word document will start with your chosen font. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 tutorials.